You might have been tasked with writing some instructions on how to do something, or writing a recipe on how to cook something delicious, hopefully. And you're probably thinking to yourself, where do I start? Well, today we're going to be talking about exactly that, how to write a procedural text. Let's learn, share, and teach. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. K. If this is the first time you're here, I'm a primary school, elementary school teacher and a very proud parent. Now, I've geared my channel towards helping students, parents and teachers better learn, share and teach to get the best learning outcomes for students. Now, if this sounds like something you might be interested in, please do us both a favour, hit the subscribe button down below and smash that notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. Today we're going to be talking about how to write a procedural text. But first of all, what is a procedural text? Well, a procedural text is a piece of writing that seeks to teach and instruct the reader on how to do or make something. Some examples of procedural texts are recipes, manuals, tutorials, and instructions, like example the ones that you might get in the box of a new television or computer, telling you how to set up your machine or use your machine. Now, what is the basic format of a procedural text? Well, first of all, you need to write the purpose. You'll then need to write down a list of materials. And then finally, you'll need to write down the steps that need to be taken. Now, I'm going to use as an example of a procedural text, the recipe for one of my favorite foods, pancakes. So the purpose for this text would read something like this. This recipe provides clear and precise instructions on how to make delicious pancakes. Well, let's hope so. A list of ingredients would look something like this. Nicely written down the page so it's very easy for the reader to understand. And then the steps need to, importantly, be in order. And also use transitional words like first, then, next, after that, and finally. Also importantly, when you're writing the steps, you need to use precise words that explain exactly how to do the actions. So, in summary, procedural text is written to teach or instruct the reader how to do or make something. Some examples of procedural texts are recipes, manuals, tutorials, and instructions. The main parts to a procedural text are number 1, the purpose, number 2, the list of materials, and number 3, the steps. And when you're writing down the steps, remember to use transitional words such as first, then, next, and finally, as well as using precise words. Excellent. Thanks very much, guys, for watching today. I hope you've learned something and this will make it easier for you to write your procedural text, whatever that may be, a recipe or a manual. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching one of my videos. If you've enjoyed the content or you just want to show your support, please just click the subscribe button down below. You hitting the subscribe button lets me know that you'd like to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.